At the Augsburg Cemetery, a little mini storms coming in. I'm assuming it's not raining yet. I keep hearing thunder. Haven't seen the lightning yet. It's Memorial Day, 26th of May, 2025. You'll probably see the clouds. Clouds here. I'm trying to go see all the graves before it starts raining. I see a bolt of lightning. Yeah, bugs all over. Yeah, bugs all over. Got the mausoleum to go to, and I'm all done for the day. Luckily, the mausoleum's indoors. Still nice though, 774. I'm not complaining, that's not bad. Yeah, you can hear it. Hold anybody up. Man, uncle's right here. Cool looking clouds. That's cool looking. Maybe we won't even get any rain, don't know. Oh, it's going this way, so we're probably, well, I think we're fine. But over and out to the next one. These bugs are bothering me.